inside the 2025 World Robot Conference. Smart robots, humanoids, and the rise of TORA-ONE. Beijing is getting ready to host one of the biggest showcases in robotics, the 2025 World Robot Conference, happening August 8th to 12th in the high-tech zone of Beijing E-Town. This year's event promises a serious upgrade. Over 100 new robotic products will make their debut, nearly twice as many as last year. With more than 1,500 exhibitors from 200 plus global companies, it's clear the conference is fast becoming the go-to global stage for robotics innovation. The theme, making robots smarter, making embodied agents more intelligent. Expect to see everything from agile quadrupeds and rescue bots to robotic lawnmowers and surgical assistant catheter robots. It's full display of where intelligent machines are heading. A major draw will be the 50 full-body humanoid robots on show. And yes, they're getting better at walking, grasping, and even making eye contact. Just don't expect them to laugh at your jokes yet. China remains the world's robot powerhouse, producing 556,000 industrial robots in 2024 and filling 2/3 of the global robot patents. The international interest has grown too, up from just a dozen international institutes a decade ago to 28 today, with over 80 overseas participants expecting this year. And for something a bit more fun, there's also a Robot Consumer Festival, running alongside blending cutting-edge tech with consumer curiosity. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends, and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.